Welcome back to Clarity Unlocked. Get ready for deeper insights, bolder ideas, and the ultimate journey to unlocking new perspectives. This is where clarity meets action. Let's dive in. Why some people just seem unforgettable. Why others can't imagine life without them. What if you could become that kind of person? Someone people truly fear losing. Not because you're controlling or needy, but because you bring something so valuable that losing you feels like a real loss. Today, I'm going to show you how to become exactly that person, how to build confidence, set strong boundaries, and create real emotional connections that make people appreciate you more than ever before. This isn't about playing games or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about discovering your own worth and showing it in a way that makes others naturally respect and value you. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because these life-changing tips will make a difference. Not just in your relationships, but in how you see yourself every day. The first step to making people fear losing you is changing how you think about yourself and your relationships. Most people try too hard to get others' approval. They become needy, always chasing attention and validation. But this actually pushes people away. Why? Because when you seem desperate, others don't value you as much. Instead, the real power comes from confidence and self-respect. When you respect yourself, you set the tone for how others should treat you. You show that you won't settle for less than you deserve. And this naturally makes people want to keep you around. Confidence isn't about being loud or arrogant. It's quiet. It's knowing your worth even if no one else says it out loud. It's having your own goals, your own passions, and your own life outside of any one person. When you stop depending on others for your happiness, you become magnetic. People sense that you are whole and secure, and they want to be part of that energy. So, how do you build this mindset? Start by loving yourself, flaws and all. Stop overthinking what others think about you. Focus on your strengths and what makes you unique. Practice saying no when something doesn't feel right. Believe that you deserve respect, kindness, and loyalty. Remember, when you respect yourself, others will follow. And that respect is the foundation for making people fear losing you. Because they'll know you don't just settle, and they might lose something rare. Having the right mindset is only the start. Now let's talk about what you do that makes people really value you. Actions that create respect and make others fear losing you. Crew. Be reliable and consistent. When people know they can count on you, you become someone important in their lives. Show up when you say you will. Keep your promises. Be steady. This builds trust, the strongest kind of bond. Have your own passions and goals. Don't put all your energy into others. Have things you love doing, hobbies, work, fitness, learning. When you have your own life and dreams, you become interesting and independent. People admire that. Support others emotionally. Be someone who listens, cares, and understands. When you truly connect with others emotionally, they feel safe with you. This deep bond makes them want to hold on tight. Set and maintain boundaries. Know what you will accept and what you won't. Don't let anyone disrespect you or treat you badly. Saying no when needed shows strength, not weakness. Boundaries. Protect your value. Don't be too available. If you're always there, people might take you for granted. Make sure you have your own time and space. This creates a healthy balance and makes your presence feel special. These actions send a clear message. You are someone worth keeping. People start to realize that losing you means losing trust, support, and something truly valuable. To make people fear losing you, It's not enough to just be reliable or have your own life. You need to connect on a deeper emotional level. People hold on tight to those who make them feel truly seen and valued. Be kind and authentic. Kindness is unforgettable. When you show genuine care without expecting anything in return, people remember that. But don't fake it. Be authentic. People can tell when you're being real, and that builds trust. Make people feel understood. Listen more than you talk. When someone feels like you truly understand their thoughts and feelings, it creates a strong emotional bond. Ask questions, repeat what you hear in your own words, and show empathy. Show appreciation. Often, small acts of appreciation go a long way. Thank people sincerely, celebrate their wins, and notice the little things. When you make others feel valued, they start to value you back deeply. Use scarcity wisely. Don't be available 24/7. Being a little hard to reach makes your presence more special. This isn't about playing games, it's about protecting your time and energy. When you show you have a busy, full life, people respect and want you more. By creating emotional impact, you become someone people don't just like, they need. And that need turns into a healthy fear of losing you. How you say things matters just as much as what you do. Good communication makes people feel connected and respected, and it helps them realize your true value. Speak clearly and honestly. Be direct, but kind. Say what you mean without beating around the bush. Honest communication shows confidence and builds trust. People respect those who are straightforward. Avoid oversharing or being needy. Don't unload all your feelings or problems too soon. Oversharing can make you seem vulnerable in the wrong way and might push people away. Keep some things private until trust grows naturally. Use subtle reminders of your value. You don't have to brag, but you can gently remind people of your strengths and what you bring to the table. For example, mention achievements casually, or share your goals. This helps others see your worth without feeling pressured. Listen actively. Communication isn't just talking. Show you're really listening by nodding, asking questions, and summarizing what you hear. This makes others feel important and deepens the connection. Use positive body language, if face-to-face or video. Smile, maintain good posture, and keep eye contact. These nonverbal cues make you appear confident and approachable. When you master communication, you become someone people trust and want around. This trust builds a natural fear of losing you, because losing your voice and presence feels like a real gap. So far, we've focused on how to make you valuable. But what about the fear others feel about losing you? Understanding this helps keep relationships healthy and genuine. Healthy fear versus toxic dependence. It's good when someone fears losing you because they truly respect and value you. This fear means they appreciate your presence and don't want to take you for granted. But if their fear comes from insecurity, jealousy, or control, it becomes unhealthy. Toxic dependence traps both people in stress and limits growth. Signs. Someone fears losing you in a positive way. They respect your space and choices. They support your goals and growth. They communicate openly and honestly. They show appreciation regularly without pressure. Avoid manipulation and games making people fear losing. You doesn't mean playing mind games or creating drama. That only breaks trust and pushes people away. Instead, focus on genuine connection and respect. When both sides have healthy fear, the kind that comes from love and respect, relationships become stronger and more meaningful. Making people fear losing you isn't a one-time thing. It's about how you maintain your worth day after day. Keep growing yourself. Never stop learning, improving, and setting new goals. When you grow, you stay interesting and valuable, not just to others, but to yourself. Stay true to your boundaries. People might test your limits over time. Stay firm in what you accept and don't accept. Boundaries keep your respect strong. Communicate regularly and clearly. Check in with others. Share how you feel, and listen to their feelings too. Healthy communication keeps trust alive. Avoid taking people for granted, no matter how close you get. Appreciate the people around you. Notice the little things and say thank you often. Take care of yourself. Physical health, mental health, and emotional health all matter. When you feel good, you show up better in every relationship. By consistently showing up as your best self, you make sure people don't just fear losing you. They value you for life.